Welcome to PFTV. It's a 1-1 draw. Ngiphethe uPuchabu noThenulo. Asiqale ngoThenulo. Thenulo umnandi.
Yes.
Igame yathi today ujabulile ngeresult e1-1.
Hayi, isiqopha ama-points.
Drop ama points ne. Azini mara ucabanga ukuthi sazoyithatha le league.
Yeah.
uPuchabu uya influencer. Do you believe ukuthi uyithatha le league?
Yeah.
Yeah, Puchabu, let's get to it, Puchabu. For me, it's 2 points dropped. Abanye abantu bangabheka ukuthi it was a big game, I understand. You shouldn't forget that we're playing against one of the Soweto Giants as well, you know what I mean?
Sure.
I'm not sure how did you see this one. Puchabu, talk to us.
I think first and foremost, as address ama issues that were off the pitch. Issues of ticket system. I mean that is the reason it came here to ikale 45 minutes late. And that on its own, I mean uma uzothatha 45 minutes ubo schedule for 3 o'clock. It does have an impact also kuma players. So psychologically idlala a certain role kuma players. But I'm also saying management yalama stadiums mabayi check into yama ticket. They must try to fine tune it because from time to time siba ne problem abantu bayasogola ngalama ticket. Bafika e-stadium on time but mawufika lama system wabo awasebenzi. The entire stadium ayina network. So that on its own nje yiyo into esibeka from a back foot siqala nje. But over and above that there was an incident yama officials we Chiefs ne Pirates. I mean those I mean if bona kwama officials themselves bazoba at loggerheads bathini ngama fans, what needs to happen ke kuma fans? So those are the incidents that we need to rebuke ukuthi they are not needed ku football yethu. And who knows, psychologically they also play a part ukuthi abafana bazithole sebadlala ngendlela abadlale ngayo. But then coming back to the game, i-Chiefs had a plan. And abantu bayakhohlwa, they thought ukuthi we'll just take 3 points and leave. But remember, this is one of the toughest opponent esinayo after Stellenbosch. Njengoba sohlangana neStellenbosch. It's not only Kaizer Chiefs. We also have Stellenbosch away, by the way. We are going to play at Loan. So it was always expected ukuthi it was going to be a tough encounter, considering the fact that previously we have beaten them 3-0. So to save themselves from an embarrassment, they came with a plan that let's rather sit at the back and Mhlambe will catch Pirates on e-transition. And it nearly worked, you know. It nearly worked. I think futhi Mhlambe ne introduction ka Namtanjela from Pirates perspective is letele because there was no creativity whatsoever. Angibeke nje straight, Pirates players didn't come to the party. Only towards the last 15 minutes or so I saw Pirates engiyaziyo. Nakhona it was a glimpse. It wasn't you know, the entire personnel that was trying ukuthi sithole, you know, the maximum point. So we take 1 point, we move. Perhaps let's see what is going to happen between Mamelodi Sundowns and Richards Bay today. I know ukuthi they are still playing. I don't know what is the score. But let's wait for that particular encounter, then we take it from there.
Yeah. So some of the subs Puchabu, we saw coach Atonza Apolisi for Undaba. Some of our pioneers saying that was a negative for defensive sub. Magaisu Otto Pambili. Thoughts on that?
I don't think I'll blame the coach because if you can check, he came towards the last 15 minutes. It was there for a taking, you know. And Mhlambe from the coach's perspective, Uguti, let's rather consolidate the point. Because if you check Apolis as well, Apolis didn't give us much. Kule came here today. So I wouldn't want to blame the technical team. I'll say Mhlambe na besebabona ukuthi anything can happen, particularly this Silva from Kaizer Chiefs was beginning to give us threats. So maybe from that, especially from Lela side, besesiba nenkinga kule left back. So maybe it was a you know, a tactical move to say let's rather introduce Hassan behave, man. Let's rather you know, consolidate whatever. It's a point. We take a point, we move. It's not like we lost all 3 points. Started one, we move, and we shall see. You know, at the end of the league, le point lo tata for granted. Uzoyikhalela lepo uzoyibona ukuthi iyasebenza, because you don't right now we don't know what is going to happen between ourselves and Sundowns. Umadondo, this is a Pirates TV, angazi ufunani la ngoba naye yabo ye-Chiefs lapha, but makabingelele ke ngoba ngiyamaza ngithi umngane wami.
Sanibonani Mabhakaniya.
Khuluma ke Madondo.
Siyabonga Mabhakaniya kusinika ipoint elibalekile. Ngale point lasehulwethu. Liyasinda lisinike lona.
Elase ngempela.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Puchabu, I don't know, man. Do you still believe we're still going to take this league now?
We are going to fight until the end. Look, Sundowns, if you check all their encounters as well, they've got Polokwane City home and away. They've got other opponents that they are still going to face. Nobody believed Ukuthi Sundowns will drop points against Stellenbosch at home. So I'm saying let's push it, Mabhakaniya. If isihlulile masses fike kuwo wonke ama game esiya kuwo, yeah, so be it, ngizothi phelile. But so far kunobaba umthetho lapha ku 202 uthanda ukuthi fela ayifedile. Yeah, so far ayikapheli. Yebo.
Ifela ayifedile Mabhakaniya. There you have it, that's Puchabu.
Sharp
Thanks, Puchabu.